Miss Karahan has the number 11.
Good evening,
Miss Karahan.
How does it feel to be one of the top 7 finalists?
So excited.
So excited. So, sino kasama mo ngayon?
My family, friends, and classmates.
So, you're with your family, friends, and classmates.
It seems like you have a lot of supporters who have been shouting your name kanina. Okay, what can you say to them? Thank you so much for being a supportive friends and classmates. Okay, so even if there's only one question left, please pick your question.
Last but not the least.
Last but not the least.
So, your question goes like this. How would you use social media in promoting the tourism in San Andres? I repeat, how would you use social media in promoting the tourism in San Andres?
Thank you, sir. Born in the age 21st century, social media is the most powerful tool in reaching out people. I will use social media, particularly Facebook, through posting different local tourist destinations here in our municipality. Because I believe that social